Okay, dear students, we are in 3.2 exercise in matrices and we have finished two questions. In the last class, we have finished two questions. Let us see from third question onwards. Let us try to solve at least 5 questions in this class. Okay. See, compute the indicated products. Products means multiplication only. That means multiplication of matrices is asking. And 4 or 5 parts are there, 6 parts are there. Part by part we are taking. First part we have taken first. AB minus BA is one matrix. A minus B, BA is another matrix. Okay. Now, examiner is asking us to find the product of this one. That means multiplication is asking. Multiplication we have to do. For doing multiplication, what will be the condition? Order we have to see. Okay. Order how to see? We need not see complete order. We have to see first matrix columns. Two columns are there. Second matrix rows. Two rows are there. That means first matrix columns, second matrix rows should match. Okay. Here matched. Why? Because the two columns and two rows are there. That is why we can do multiplication. Let us do multiplication. Before doing multiplication, arrow also you have to keep. Okay. Arrow. Left to right, top to bottom. Okay. Let us finish now the multiplication. Okay. First row, first column, you see A into A plus B into B. Okay. A into A plus B into B. This will come on first column, first row, first column. Okay. Now next, first row but second column. A into minus B. Shall I write minus AB? A into minus B plus A into B. A into minus B plus A into B. Okay. A into minus B plus B. A, B into A or A into B, both are same. Okay. Okay. Now, minus A into B or minus B into A. Minus B into A and plus A into B. Minus B into minus B plus A into A. Is it okay now? See? Okay. A square plus B square minus AB plus AB 0. Or shall I write first minus AB plus AB? Minus AB plus AB. Okay, next step we are going to cancel it. Here also minus AB plus AB. Here minus B square. See, minus B into minus B means not minus B square. Minus also going to get multiplication and B also going to get multiplication. That means B square plus A square. That you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now you see A square plus B square. Okay. 0. Why? Because minus plus. Here also minus plus 0. But here also A square plus B square you can write. Why? Because this is commutative. Okay. Now A square plus B square 0. 0 A square plus B square is the answer. Okay. Final answer for this. Second question onwards or second part onwards, we will slowly increase the speed also. Okay. Now we understand now how to do first row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. Like that you have to write and close the question. Okay. Shall we go second part? Okay. See, second question, second part, not second question, third question, second part, what they have given 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. What we have to see? Columns. Number of columns is 1. Number of row is 1. Okay. Okay. Then we can do the multiplication. But you see, surprisingly, here 3 by 3 matrix is going to come. Why? Because 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 into 1. And here also 1 row but 3 columns. 1 into 3. 3, 3. 3 by 3 matrix is going to come. Bigger matrix is going to come with a simple matrix multiplication. Let us do But carefully observe here how I am doing, because this is very important. Okay. Now you see here also, but first you put arrow horizontal and vertical, left to right, right to left, sorry, top to bottom. Okay, now carefully observe. First row, first column, this one only, that's all. 1 into 2 only, that's all. 1 into 2. First row, first column. Then again, first row, second column. This is the first row, second column. Now you see, 3 rows, 3 columns are there. That means, how much will come? 3 by 3 will come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Like that you have to think. Okay, here will come. 1 into 3. 1 into 4. Okay, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Separate, separate, separate you have to write. Then 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. This also separate you have to write. 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Do you understand? Second row, third column. Second row, third column. You see second row, third column. 2, 4. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now directly you can write now. Final. 2, 3, 4. 4, 6, 8. 6, 9, 12. This will be the answer. You see, 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 by 3 matrix has come with these 2 matrices. Like this you have to perform the operation. Now we must be knowing what are all there. Okay. These arrows you keep first row, first column means here only it has to come. When you are going for second one, then you have to go for first row, second column. Like that you have to do. Okay. Shall we go for third part? Okay. Okay. Let us see third part of this third question. Here 2 by 2 matrix is there, but here 2 by 3 matrix is there. But what we have to see? Columns, rows. First matrix columns, 2 columns are there. Second matrix rows, 2 rows are there. That means multiplication is possible. Let us do the multiplication. Before doing multiplication, arrows you have to keep. Left to right, top to bottom. Top to bottom. Okay? Okay. Now, let us do the multiplication and put these numbers. Okay, now 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Directly I have written. You see, first row, first column, all you have to write here. 1 minus 4. Why minus 4? Minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Plus minus 4 means minus 4 only. That is directly I have written 1 minus 4. You have to pick up some speed. Okay. 2, 1 into 2, 2, minus 6. 3 minus 2. Okay. Do you understand now? Okay. Now 2 plus 6. Why? Because 2 plus 6. Okay. 4 plus 9. 6 plus 3. That's all. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Now let us finish final. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 1, 8, 13, 9. Okay. This will be your answer for this third part of the third question. Okay. Shall we go for fourth part? Fourth part of the third question. Third question, fourth part. 3 by 3, 3 by 3 matrices are there. Easily we can do, but even though we have to see 3 columns, 3 rows. Okay, 3 columns, 3 rows means we can do the multiplication. Let us do the arrows. First, let us draw arrows. Okay. Now directly we will write, but we will add, that's all. Multiplication and all directly we will write. Okay. Now you see 2 into 1, 2, 0, 12. Is it okay? First you see 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0, 0, 4 into 3, 12. Okay. Then 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 6 plus 0. Okay, 2 into 5 10, 3 into 4 12, 4 into 5 20. Okay, now 3 plus 0 plus 15. 3 plus 0 plus 15. Okay, now minus 9 plus 8 plus 0. Why? Because 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 0, sorry, not plus 8 plus 0. Okay, now 3 into 5 15 plus 16. You see 5 15 16 then 25. Okay, now 4 plus 0 plus 18. 4 plus 0 plus 18. Okay, next minus 12 plus 10 plus 0. Okay, okay. Now 4 into 5 20 plus 20. 4 into 5 20, 5 into 4 20, 6 into 5 30. Okay. Now this is a bigger what we can say. Okay, let us do 12 plus 2 14. Okay, 0. Why? Because minus 6 plus 6 0 0 all 0. Okay, 30 plus 12 42. Okay, 15 plus 3 18 and minus 1 40 56. 25 plus 15 40 56. Okay, 22. Okay, then minus 2. Okay, 40 30 70. Okay, that means this will be your answer. 14 0 42, 18 minus 1 56, 22 minus 2 70. You see 3 by 3 only has come. Why? Because both are 3 by 3 3 by 3. Both are 2 by 2 2 by 2. Okay, like that will come. Let us go for fifth part. Okay, you see fifth part of this third question. Compute the indicated products multiplication you have to do. But here you see 3 by 2, here 2 by 3 are there matrices. But you have to see first matrix columns, 2 columns, second matrix rows, 2 rows, 2 match. Then we can do the multiplication. Okay. Let us first make arrows. Okay, we have made arrows. Now let us start this multiplication. Okay, now you see 2 into 1 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into 0 0, 1 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 1 2 plus 1. Okay, okay, 3 into 1 3 minus 2, 0 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. Okay, that is okay. Okay, now minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, now 0 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now let us write final figures. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. That's all. This is your fifth part of the third question. Let us go for sixth part. The sixth part of the third question, multiplication of these two matrices we have to do. But let us see first what columns, what rows are there. Why? Because the columns, rows. First matrix column, second matrix rows we have to compare. Both are equal, then we can perform, or else we are not able to perform. 3 columns to 3 rows are there. That means 3 by 3 we can do. Okay, let us do now. Okay, now 3 into, see, we have to write arrows, na? Arrows. We should not miss this. Okay. Now 3 into 2 6, minus 1 plus 9. Is it okay? You see 6 minus 1 plus 9. Okay, next minus 9, 0 plus 3. Minus 9, 0 plus 3. Okay, minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Okay, now 3, 0 plus 2. Okay. Now you see 15 minus 1, 14. Minus 9, minus 6, 4, 5. Is it okay? Okay. Now we have finished this completely third question. Let us go for fourth. Fourth question. Okay, what they have written? 3 matrices they have given. A, B, C. All are 3 by 3 matrix. You see 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Okay. A, B, C. Now see, two parts are there. Question first part, first compute A plus B and B minus C. A plus B you have to do, B minus C you have to do. Okay, this is one part. Second part, verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. This you have to write. That means see, B minus C already you have done. Add A to that one. And A plus B already you have done. Subtract C from it. Verify whether both are equal or not. See, verify means it is not they are asking to prove. Verify means sometimes it may become equal, it may not become equal. You have to write finally if it is okay, then A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C verified. Okay. Or else verified and found not okay also you can write if it doesn't come. Okay, like that how to think. What I do, I will draw a line in between. We will do 50%, 50% separately. This side, that side. Okay. Now let us do A plus B first. Why? Because see, A plus B in front of you only are there. Left side. See, A plus B when you are doing, A should be left side, B should be right side. Then only it is possible. Like that you have to keep. Okay. Okay. Now directly I am writing A plus B. You see. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Okay. Now plus you are doing. Minus 3 plus 2. Shall I write directly or directly also we can write? Now you have got experience. Normal plus only, plus minus we can write directly. Multiplication is there means one time again we are going to write. Okay, let us do it. 5 plus 4. Why? Because here plus is there, A is there, B is there. 5 plus 4, 9. Why? Because plus is there. 9. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. Now you see A plus B is this one. Let us do B minus C here. B minus C. This also you see B left side, C right side is there. Directly you can perform this subtraction operation. Difference. Okay. Directly I write 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. Okay. 4 minus 0 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 5 minus 2 3. Okay. 2 minus 1 1. 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2. Because here minus is there. 0 minus of minus 2. Well, the minus is there. Okay. Okay. 3 minus 3 0. Okay. Now you have got these two matrices. A plus B matrix you have got. B minus C matrix also you have got. Now what you have to do? You see here 50% question over. Compute A plus B. B minus C over. Now he is asking to verify A plus B minus C. You see, B minus C is here. A plus B minus C. Now we write both separate. Or else directly also we can write A plus B minus C. Directly we can write perform. Okay. That also we can do. Okay. Write down A plus B minus C. No. This one. Sorry, this one. A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Okay. Now how we are doing? A, B minus C. Both we are adding. Addition. A, B. B minus C. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3, okay, minus 3 will come. Addition we are doing now, A plus B minus C. This is B minus C. A plus 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 0 means minus 3 only. Okay, now 5 plus 4, 9. 0 minus of, see, 0 plus 1. Now plus is there, na? 0 plus minus 1. Minus 1. 2 plus 3. 5. 1 plus 1. 2. Minus 1 plus 2. 1. Why? Because 2 minus 1 it will become. 1 plus 0. 1. Okay. This will be A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. Now A plus B minus C also we can do here. Okay. A plus B is there. C is this here. You see left side, right side. This also we can do directly rather than writing again and again. Okay. Let us write A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C is equal to, okay. A plus B is there, minus C. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now minus 1 minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 2, 0. Okay, now 9 minus C. All minus we have to do. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Plus 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. Now you compare both are equal or not? 0, 0 minus 3, 0, 0 minus 3. 9 minus 1, 5, 9 minus 1, 5. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. What you have to write finally? Verified and found correct. Write down. A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Verified, found, okay. Found correct. Okay, don't write. Found correct. Okay. Same thing you have to write again. Verified and found correct. Equal to symbol you have to keep. Okay. Okay. Now this is the fourth question. Let us move to fifth question. Okay. See the fifth question. Fifth question is two matrices they are having and peculiar. See 2 by 3, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2 by 3 like that. This matrix is there. Okay. And here you see all 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5 like that. This matrix is there. Then finally what you have to find? 3A minus 5B. You see logically if you see here A you are multiplying with 3 means 3 if you multiply 3 into 7 by 3 means 3 and 3 going to get cancelled. You see here now. 3 into 7 by 3. 3 going to get cancelled. That means 7 it is going to left. Then if you multiply 2, 3 into 2, 6 is going to come. That means normal matrix is going to come rather than fractions. Okay. Here also you see 7 by 5 is there and 5 you are multiplying 5b. This is b, 5b. That means 5 into 7 by 5 means 7 is going to come. Okay. If 1 is there means 5 into 1, 5 is going to come here. Okay. Then finally you have to do minus subtraction. Okay. Let us do. Not that much easy. Okay. Not that much tough. Easy only. Okay. Now see again we need not write this much bigger one 2 times. Directly I will write 3A is equal to, okay, 3A. That means A is this one. 3A means with 3 we have multiplied. 2 by 3 means 2 will come. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 3 going to get cancelled, 5. Okay, like that you take. That means here also 1 will come, 2 will come, 4 will come, 7 will come, but 3 into 2, 6 will come, but here 2 will come. You see. Now simply you have done this. Then you write comma, you put 5b. Okay, 5b is equal to. Okay. Now with 5 you are multiplying. 5 into 2 by 5 means 5 going to get cancelled, 2, 3. But here 5 will come. Why? Because 5 we are multiplying. Okay, now 1, now 2, now 4, 7, 6, 2. See these two matrices. Okay, 3A, 5B in front of you are at side by side. Why? Because you have see 3A minus 5B, 3A minus 5B, left side, right side, well placed. Directly you can write now. Final matrix directly you can write. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Finally, you can write O. That is also correct. Okay? You understand the concept? Simply, scalar we have sent inside, that's all. We need not write again and again this much bigger. That is why I directly have written 3A. Okay? Shall we go for sixth question? Okay. Okay. Now see sixth question. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into matrix sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay. Now see this you have to send inside scalar. Okay. Now see this is not a matrix, scalar. You can send inside. It will going to multiply all. Okay. Let us do it. Cos square theta, cos theta sin theta. Okay, cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay, then cos square theta. Okay, plus sin theta sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, now sin theta cos theta sin square theta. Okay, now let us do now addition operation. Now this see individual scalar multiplication finished. Next step is these two matrices you have to add. For addition 2 by 2 2 by 2 is okay. Okay, while adding you have to see 2 by 2 2 by 2 matrix is there, completely all 2 by 2. That means rows columns all to be matched. For multiplication that is different, the rule is different. Okay. Okay, now cos square theta plus sin square theta, write down. Okay, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Shall we write first? Afterwards we will cancel out. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Why? Because see plus is there, that way minus you have to keep. Okay. Minus sin theta, minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Write down. Minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. See, up to here if you do and close this question, then 50% only you are going to get the marks. Cos theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. You see, both are plus and minus. Then it is going to become 0. Here also you see plus minus going to become 0. And cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. You have to do that one. 1 0 0 1. What is this? I. Identity matrix. Okay, diagonal matrix, but in diagonal I only one come. 1001. 100, 010, 001 means third order I. That also I. Now we finished sixth question. We go for seventh question. See the seventh question. Two parts are there. I have written first part. X plus y is equal to x minus y is equal to something like this. You will finish. Then second part we will do afterwards. After finishing of this one, we will rub and we will do second part. This is first part. Find x and y if x plus y, x minus y is equal to something something. You see, now we are in matrix. Matrix algebra is little bit different from normal algebra. Okay. See here x plus y they have given, x minus y they have given. If it is a normal algebra, say x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 3. What we are going to do? We are going to do addition. Then y going to get cancelled. 2x that is equal to 8 is going to come. X is equal to 4. What you are going to do again? This x you are going to substitute in this one. X plus y is equal to 5. But x is 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 5. Sorry, 4 plus y. Y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 1. Okay, now x, y both have come. Like this is in normal algebra we are going to do. But how to do this one? How to do matrix algebra? First time we are seeing this question. Okay. Same like ordinary algebra only. Let us do first x plus y plus x plus minus y. Both we add. Y going to get cancelled. 2x is going to come. But see, you are adding simply here. But this side matrically you have to add. Matrix addition. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. Like that will come. Resultant matrix. Addition of matrix. That matrix will be 2x. X means divided by 2, scalar. Into 1 by 2 you can do. Okay, like that we will do. Let us do, understand carefully this question we do slowly. Second part we do a little bit fast. Okay, you see now what I am doing. X plus y is equal to 7, 0, 2, 5. Okay. Now x minus y is equal to 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am performing addition. I am performing addition. You see what I am doing? Addition, if you do x plus x, 2x is going to become plus y minus y going to get cancelled. Okay. This is simply how made addition 2x. But here how to make addition? Matrix addition you have to make 7 plus 3. Or else you see 7 plus 3. 10. 0 plus 0. 0. 2 plus 0. 2. 5 plus 3. 8. Is it okay? Why? Because 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, now this is 2x. Now you simply observe what I am doing. You want x, not 2x. 1 by 2 of 2x. That means you are multiplying with scalar both sides. 1 by 2 of 10, 0, 2, 8. See, next part, directly we will do it. We need not go this much low level. But you have to understand first. That is why I am doing this one. Okay. Okay, now 2 get cancelled and x will come. X is equal to, if 1 by 2 goes inside automatically, 5, 0, 1, 4. Is it okay? Why? Because 10 by 2, 5, 8 by 2, 4, 2 by 2, 1, 0 by 2, 0. That's all. X you have got 5, 0, 1, 4. Shall we substitute this x inside this one? Directly we can do. Write down. What I am doing, you see, now x is this one and I am writing this formula. You see, 5, 0, 1, 4. This is x plus y. Y you don't know. Y you have to find. Y is equal to 7025. Write down. 7025. Okay. Now you see this is a plus b is equal to c, like that y is equal to, this is going to become subtraction there, that side. Okay, write down y is equal to 7025 will be like this only, that side, minus y, because here it is plus, that side if it goes negative will be 5014. Okay. Okay, now let us finish y. 7 minus 5, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. That means 2, 0, 1, 1 will be your y answer. That means find x and y. X is this one, y is this one. Both answers have come. How you have done? You have done simply by arithmetic algebra, like matrix algebra, but like arithmetic algebra only you have given. Where matrix will come, matrix algebra will come. Where normal algebra is come, normal algebra you have to do. Like that you have to perform. Okay. Now finish it this first part. What we do in 7th question only, second part we do. Okay. Let us do. Okay. See, this is the second part of the 7th question. Okay. Now, unlike earlier questions, simply x and y they have not given. You must have seen here 2x is there, 3x is there, 3y is there, 2y is there. Then how to find now x or y? Like normal algebra only. See, normal algebra what we do? 2x plus 3y is equal to something like 8. 3x plus 2y is equal to something like 4. What we do here? Normally, you tell me. Why? Because see, any one you have to make equal. Whether you make x equal or you make y equal, then it is going to get cancelled. Okay, it is going to get cancelled. Subtraction you have to do here. What I do normally here, we do into 3 into 2. Why? Because see, 3 into 2, 6x will come. 2 into 3, 6x will come. 6x will come. Then you subtract. X is going to become 0, but here values are going to change and y is going to come finally. Then you substitute that y, x is going to come. Like that only we have to do here. Okay. See, this is normal algebra. Here, this multiplication we have to do for x, y and even for matrix also. If you are multiplying with 3 means you have to multiply this 8 also. 8 means here matrix. Matrix also you have to multiply with 3. Scalar. Like that you have to do. Or else you are not going to get the answer. Okay. Okay, what we do, let us do, first we find x or y. Then we will rub if we don't have space. Then that's, y you substitute and find x. Like that we will do. Okay. Let us see first. Okay, into now I am doing, you see, directly what I am writing, you see, 6x plus 9y is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 6, 9, 12, 0. Is it okay? First you see. I have not written, but in my mind, in brain, I have made calculation. 3 into 2. Why? Because here also with 2 I will make 6x is going to come. 3 into 2, 6x. 3 into 3, 9y. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 0, 0. Now we have got this one. Okay. I will write, or else I will write here. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. 1 into 3. Let's take this one 1 into 3. 2 into 2. Why? Because see here 3 into 2, 6x. 2 into 3, 6x. X I am going to get cancelled. You might have understand now. Okay. Now let us multiply 2. 2 means see 2 into 3, 6x. Okay. That only we want. Why? Because 6x is going to get cancelled. Now 2 into 2, 4y is equal to, but here little bit carefully you have to do. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 2, 10. Okay. Now minus you make. Minus. 6x minus 6x, 0. You did not write 0. But 9y minus 4y. 5y. Write down 5y is equal to. Here little bit carefully how to do. You see, negative means minus 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus of minus 4, 13. 12 minus of minus 2, 14. 0 minus 10, minus 10. Do you understand now? 5. This is what? 5y. Then y what we will do? Directly we will do. Why? Because 1 by 5 into 5y, 1 by 5 into something we need not write. Why? Because see, divided by 5, divided by 5. Both we are doing. You see, divided by 5. What I am doing, you see, 2 by 5, okay. 13 by 5, okay. 14 by 5, okay. Here you see minus 2 will come. Why? Because divided by 5 means 2 times it goes. Now you received y. Don't confuse y fraction has come whether answer is correct or not. Don't worry, this is correct only. 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 2. This is y. Now this y you substitute inside this one. Any one equation. You substitute in this only. You substitute in this only. Okay. Okay, let us do now. What I am doing, you see. I am writing again, you see 3x. See, y has come already. We have to find x. We are finding x. 3x, okay, 3x you write, plus 2y. See, one time we will write 2 into y means you write this one. 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 2 is equal to this one. 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Okay. Okay. Now 3x you keep like this only, but what we do, this you multiply and subtract from that one. How I am doing, you see, 3x is equal to, okay, first this will be same, equal to that side, 2 minus 1, 5, minus, now this will go this side, equal to that side, minus already there, okay, but you multiply 4 by 5, 26 by 5, okay, now 28 by 5, minus 4. Okay. See, you find first 3x only. You try to subtract this. Then finally you are going to find x. Like that you have to do. Let us do 3x is equal to. Now what we do, 1 by 1 calculation here we do, we write and we rub. Okay, you see, 2 minus 4 by 5. You see how I am doing? 2 minus 4 by 5. That is equal to 10 minus 4 by 5. 10 minus 4 by 5. That is equal to 6 by 5. Is it okay? You write 6 by 5. Then you rub this one. Okay, now minus 2 minus 26 by 5. Minus 2 minus 26 by 5. That is equal to minus 10 minus 26 by 5. That is equal to minus 36 by 5. Is it okay? See, minus 2 means here minus 2 by 1 is there. Like that you have to think. Minus 10 minus 26 by 5. 1 into 5. Minus 36 by 5. Write down minus 36 by 5. Minus 36 by 5. Okay. Rub this one. Okay. Now you see minus 1 minus 28 by 5. Minus 1 minus 28 by 5. That means 1 is there. Minus 5. Okay. Minus 28 by 5. 28 plus 5, 33. Minus 33 by 5. Write down. Minus 33 by 5. Okay. Okay, that will be minus 33 by 5. Okay. Take last one. See, now 5 minus, see 5 minus of minus 4 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. Now x we can do directly. X. Rather than 1 by 3 into 3x is equal to 1 by 3 like that. directly you can write. Okay, 3 divided by 3 2, 2 by 5, divided by 3 12, minus 12 by 5, divided by 3 11, minus 11 by 5, divided by 3 3. Okay, now final answer will be, see, x will be 2 by 5, minus 12 by 5, minus 11 by 5 3, y will be 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 2. These are 2 x and y values. What we do, we stop this class here only. Seventh question we have completed, 5 questions we have done in this class. From 8th question onwards we will try to solve in next class. Total 22 questions are there. I think minimum 2 classes are required. Let us try to finish within 2 classes. If not possible, then 3 more classes we will take and finish this exercise. Okay, thank you very much.